Dear student, today we will discuss the next heterocyclic compound, that is pyridine. This is heterocyclic nitrogen containing compound, 6-membered ring with alternate double bond. This pyridine is very important. It is present in bone oil, light oil fractions in coal tar. Natural product like vitamin B6, in which pyrimidine is also present. Some of the natural products like vitamin B6, nucleotides, choramine, isoazides, alkaloids like nicotine, piperine. It contain pyridine ring in their molecule. That means there is a pyrimidine ring is present. These are the derivatives. Okay. So first we will see what is the pyridine. Pyridine is a colorless but older or impure sample can appear yellow. The pyridine ring occurs in many important compounds including agrochemicals, pharmaceuticals and vitamins. Historically, pyridine was produced from the coal tar. Today, it is synthesized on the scale of about 20,000 tons per year worldwide. Now, this is the structure of pyrimidine. Molecular formula pyrimidine is C5H5N. Again, the pyrimidine is a 6-membered aromatic with one heteroatom, that is a nitrogen is present. When we see the structure of this pyrimidine, there is all the carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized. Okay, all the carbon atoms are what? sp2 hybridized. There are total 5 sigma bonds carbon with hydrogen. We will see the structure. This is a pyridine. When we draw the orbital structure of pyridine, see carbon, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the nitrogen. Okay, now for our convenience, carbon and nitrogen. In this case, this carbon overlap with this carbon, formation of one sigma bond, sp2 hybridization. Like that here also. This way. This is the orbital diagram of this pyridine. Now, in this pyridine, nitrogen having the two lone pair. Here, this is the sp2s sigma bond. This is also sp2s sigma bond. This is sp2s sigma bond. This is sp2s sigma bond. Now, again, the carbon and nitrogen, there is a bonding is again sp2 like pyrrole, sp2 sigma bond. Same way, this is also sigma bond. So here we observe that there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sigma bond, but out of 6, 4 sigma bond is what? Carbon carbon, like that. I will show in the red marker. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 carbon carbon sigma bond, 2 carbon nitrogen sigma bond, carbon and nitrogen. Now, each carbon contain hydrogen. Okay, one hydrogen is there. So this is a carbon which is bonded with the hydrogen. Here is a hybridization is what? sp2s sigma bond. Like that, all the carbon is showing the sigma bond with hydrogen. Okay, so how many sigma bonds are there between the carbon and hydrogen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that in this case there are total 5 sigma bond, 5 sigma bond. Okay, 5 sigma bond. Sorry, here is carbon and hydrogen. Okay, carbon and hydrogen. This is the orbital diagram. Okay, of what? Pyridine. Again, remember one thing, there is a sigma bonding is there. Sigma bond is what? Between the carbon and hydrogen, carbon and nitrogen, and carbon and carbon. Okay, now okay, this is a carbon carbon, here is a nitrogen. Okay, I will show you by using a black marker, nitrogen. This is a lone pairs. Okay, so there is a like that. This is a what? Orbital diagram. Now in this case of orbital diagram, the bond angle is, due to the sp2 hybridization, bond angle is 120 degree. Bond angle is what? 120 degree, and structure is nearly planar. Planar structure is there. Now this is a regarding what? Structure of pyridine. In this case also there are the 5 carbon and 1 nitrogen, sp2 hybridized. Now structure and aromaticity. This pyridine is again aromatic in nature. Why it is aromatic in nature? Because it follow Hacker rule. Because this system contains total 6 electrons. Okay, and due to the presence of 6 electrons, which is according to Hacker rule, this compound is aromatic in nature. Okay, this is compound is what? Aromatic in nature. Now see here, now see here, this is a pyridine. Okay, hydrogen, 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 and hydrogen. According to Hacker rule, if the system is contained, if system contains 4n plus 2 pi electrons, 4n plus 2 pi electrons, then the compound is aromatic in nature. 4n 2 plus means what? When n is equals to 0. In the last lecture we discussed this, where when n is equals to 0, the number of pi bond is equals to 2, like that 1. So then there is a 6. So see, 6 number is there. There are the total 6 electrons, because 3 pi bonds, 1 pi bond is equals to 2 electrons, so that there is a total 6 electrons. 6 pi electrons is present, and so it follow the Hacker rule, so that this compound is aromatic in nature. Okay, this compound is what? Aromatic in nature. Now each ring atom possesses one unhybridized p orbital. Okay, one hybridized p orbital containing one electron, and those are perpendicular to the plane containing what? Sigma bond. Like the pyrrole type structure, here is also, see, if suppose this is the pyridine structure, these are the lone pair, these are the unhybridized p orbitals, and this unhybridized p orbital is overlap perpendicular and form a pi bond like this. Okay, formation of it. Now this will react bonded with this like that. This is a pi bonding is there. Okay, so that due to this presence of these pi electrons, the electron cloud is always present. Electron cloud is always present above and below the plane of pyridine. This is an electron cloud. Okay, above and below the plane. This is an electron cloud. Okay, now next is what? See, this is the structure. Benzene versus pyridine. Similar. Only difference is what? In benzene there are the total 6 carbon atoms, but here instead of a carbon there is one heteroatom. Nitrogen is there. Now, pyridine show the aromatic property because resulting. This is a 4n plus 2 pi electrons. Now see that there is a resonance structure of what? Pyridine. Pyridine is the resonance hybrid with this shown structure. There are the total 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 resonating structure is there. Okay, and this lone pair of electron, these also undergo the resonating structure, undergo the delocalization, so that this pyridine ring is somewhat like stable. The nitrogen lone pair is not released into the aromatic system because it is perpendicular to pi systems. One thing remember, in pyrrole, the lone pair is also involved in the resonance structure, but in this case, this nitrogen lone pair electron, due to the perpendicular to the pi system, is not undergo the resonance. So this nitrogen containing lone pair in this pyridine not involved in resonance structure. This nitrogen, instead of that nitrogen, is withdraw the electron from by the resonance. That means pull the electron towards itself. अपने तरफ खींचता है इलेक्ट्रॉन और इलेक्ट्रॉन खींचने की वजह से ये जो रिंग जो है अपने पास, जहां पर अभी आपने बोला था कि पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स क्लाउड ऊपर और नीचे होता है, बट ड्यू टू द पुलिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन आपका pyridine स्ट्रक्चर जो है, pyridine रिंग जो है, इट इज इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशिएंट. इट इज व्हाट? इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशिएंट रिंग. Okay, next, preparation. How it can be prepared? Very simple methods are there. We can prepare by passing a mixture of acetylene and hydrogen cyanide through the red hot tube. There is a formation of pyridine. From a pyrrole, when the chloroform is passed from the pyrrole system, it gives a pyridine-like structure in the presence of a potassium hydroxide. Then by heating the hydrochloride, pentamethylene diamine and oxidized product piperidine, that is piperidine, with the concentrated sulfuric acid at the 300 degree Celsius. Okay, in this case, okay, the intermediate product is formed, the piperidine, is when treated with concentrated esters of phosphorus. This reaction is what? Oxidation reaction, and after the oxidation reaction, it gives the pyridine. Okay, it gives what? Pyridine. This reaction is carried out at 300 degree Celsius. Now, properties. Pyridine is a colorless refractive liquid. Okay, colorless refractive liquid which has unpleasant odor. It is miscible with water in all the properties, and it is hygroscopic in nature. It is a good solvent for the most of the organic compound. Most of the organic compound, you see that there is a pyridine is used for the reaction and dissolved many inorganic salts. Now, which is the most important basic character. The pyridine behave as a base when it react with the acid to form a stable salt. Okay, the basic character of pyridine is that the lone pair of electron of a nitrogen atom is being sp2 hybridized. Okay, it being what? sp2 hybridized, and due to this sp2 hybridization, okay, due to this sp2 hybridization, this electron is not involving, okay, in the delocalization. Now see, in case of a pyrrole, okay, in case of a pyrrole, what happened? The nitrogen lone pair is involved in what? Resonance structure or delocalization. मैंने बोला था आपको, देखो लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इन केस ऑफ पैरेलल घूमता हुआ रहता है, ठीक है, ये वाला स्ट्रक्चर, फिर ऐसे जाता था, फिर ऐसे जाता था, फिर ऐसे जाता था, ओके। बट इन केस ऑफ pyridine, इन केस ऑफ व्हाट, pyridine, अभी मैंने आपको बताया था pyridine में क्या आता है। pyridine में जो लोन पेयर जो है नाइट्रोजन के, इट इज अ परपेंडिकुलर स्ट्रक्चर होने की वजह से नॉट इन्वॉल्व इन द रेजोनेंस, नॉट इन्वॉल्व इन व्हाट, रेजोनेंस, नॉट delocalized, okay, not involved in delocalization, not involved in delocalization. Now see what happened. This is the involved in the delocalization, that means it is, this lone pair is not available, okay, so not available, can't donate, ये डोनेट नहीं कर सकता है, उतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग टेंडेंसी नहीं है, ओके। बट हियर this is not involved in the delocalization, means it is available, and due to this availability it can donate. And we know that the species those who are donate the lone pair of electron, okay, the species those who are donate the lone pair of electron is a basic in nature, it what, basic in nature, so that when we compare the pyridine versus pyrrole, the pyridine is more basic, pyridine is what, more basic than pyrrole. See again, as compared to pyrrole, pyridine is more basic nature. Why it is more basic in nature? Because in case of a pyrrole, this the lone pair of electron is involved in the delocalization, not available, so that this pyrrole ring cannot donate the electron. But in case of a pyridine, due to their structure, this lone pair of electron not involved in the delocalization, so that available, it can donate, so that it is a basic in nature. It is a basic in nature, okay. Now, in the both pyridine is a less basic than aliphatic amines, okay. Pyridine is a less basic than aliphatic amine. In the both pyridine and aliphatic amine, okay, the lone pair of electron are available for reaction. In case of aliphatic amine, nitrogen is sp3 hybridized, whereas the pyridine is what, sp2 hybridized, okay. So we will see what is the meaning of aliphatic amine and aromatic amine. Aliphatic amine means what, the straight chain compound like ethylamine, methylamine, like that. And our pyridine is what, this is a cyclic aromatic amine. So we will compare now the basicity between aliphatic versus aromatic. Now see, now see, pyridine is less basic than aliphatic amine. I am giving the explanation here, okay. Now 1 minute. Now see, aliphatic amine. Aliphatic amine means what, RNH2 lone pair. This is aliphatic. Example, CH3, CH2, NH2. Okay, this is the aliphatic amine, and this is our nitrogen. Sorry, pyridine. Okay, this is a pyridine. Now see, in the both the cases, in case of aliphatic amine, Okay, in case of aromatic amine, this nitrogen is what? sp3 hybridized. This is what? sp3 hybridized, this nitrogen. But in case of this pyridine, this nitrogen is sp2 hybridized. And we know that sp2 hybridized nitrogen is more electronegative than sp3 hybridized nitrogen. Okay, than sp3 hybridized nitrogen. And due to this more electronegativity, this lone pair of electrons is not easily available for donation. So aliphatic amines are more basic than aromatic amines. Okay, aliphatic amines are more basic than aromatic amines. Now, characteristics reactions, the electrophilic substitution reactions, like in the pyrrole, here is also electrophilic substitution reaction, but here the electrophilic substitution reaction can takes place at 3 different positions. The 2 and 6 position, next one is the 3 and 5 position, and 4th position. Okay, now here I will show. In this case, first I will explain the positions. Okay, now this. In this case, this nitrogen carry number 1, so number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6. So attack can be takes place by the electrophile at 3 different positions. It may be a 2 or 6. Okay, 2 or 6 position. It may be a 3 and 5 position. Okay, 3 and 5. It may be a 4th position. So like that, this is the positions of what? Pyridine, where they can attack. Now here in this structure, when the 2 or 6 position is attached by the electrophile, there is a formation of what? Nitrogen, which is positively charged. Okay. Now, pyridine undergo electrophilic substitution extremely vigorous conditions. Considerable less reactivity of pyridine than benzene is electrophilic substitution reaction. Benzene के ऊपर इलेक्ट्रोफाइल जल्दी अटैक होते हैं, बट इन केस ऑफ pyridine वहां पर इलेक्ट्रोफाइल जल्दी अटैक नहीं होते हैं. क्यों नहीं होते हैं, उसके पीछे का रीजन देखना. नाइट्रोजन एटम प्रेजेंट इन द pyridine having its electronegativity, the electron density around its carbon atom. That means electrophile means what? Electron loving. In case of a pyridine, this nitrogen is decreases the electron density. So the decrease in electron density, the electrophile reaction very slow. Okay, next one is what? The electrophile can coordinate with the lone pair of electron of nitrogen to form the resonance stabilized pyridinium salt. Instead of attacking ring, it can attack with the nitrogen lone pair because these are not involved in the delocalization. So that nitrogen के साथ भी bond form कर सकते हैं और वहाँ पर आपको pyridinium salt मिल सकता है, that is nitrogen carry positive charge. In pyridine, electrophilic substitution occurs almost exclusively at position 3rd position. Okay, at 3rd position, which is known as the beta position. Now we can understand by this. Now see, first, when you attack on the 2nd or 6th position, there is a formation of the nitrogen which carry positive charge, which is the least stable. This intermediate is a very least stable. Okay, but when you attack with the 3rd or 5th position, see, in this case, 3rd or 5th position, where the nitrogen is not carry any positive charge, but in the 2nd and 4th position, at particular point, nitrogen carry a positive charge, and due to this positive charge of a nitrogen, this compound is a less stable. Okay, see, I will show you here. In the 2 and 6 position, we need attack on here. Okay, this nitrogen carry positive charge. This nitrogen carry what? Positive charge. Like that, in the fourth, here is also the nitrogen carry a positive charge with resulting structure like that. Okay, and due to this nitrogen, when the nitrogen carry a positive charge, it is a less stable. So that less stable means what? Such type of compound intermediate is not formed, less stable. But in case of a third or fifth position, in case of what? Third or fifth position, such type of nitrogen carry positive charge is not there. There the positive charge is localized through a carbon atom. So that this is the more stable. And hence the electrophile will attack on only third position or fifth position, both are the same, which is known as a beta positions. Now see, we will explain that this pyridine is less reactive benzene. Already I told you that why the pyridine is less reactive than benzene. Now the pyridine